Running bamboo is an invasive grass species that spreads by rhizomes, which are root systems that spread underground. The rhizomes are tightly woven underground, which inhibit native plants or stop native plants from growing or thriving within the bamboo. It becomes very, very aggressive and nothing can stop it from spreading. Another reason why bamboo is so invasive is that it grows so densely together that the leaves and the branches don't allow the sun to come through for other plants to grow.
And as a first step of controlling invasive species in Fairfax County, the Board of Supervisors recently passed a new ordinance requiring property owners to maintain and contain the spread of running bamboo on their property. The new ordinance considers any property owner who allows running bamboo to grow on their property, whether they plant it or not, to be a bamboo owner. All bamboo owners are required to contain the bamboo on their property such that it does not extend beyond their property lines onto other private property or into public right-of-ways. The Department of Code Compliance will begin enforcing the ordinance on a complaint basis beginning January 1st, 2023. If DCC receives a complaint about a bamboo owner's running bamboo spreading beyond the limits of their property, we'll issue a notice of violation requiring them to contain their bamboo within the boundaries of their property. We'll also work with them, and if they do that within a prescribed time frame, we'll close the case. If they fail to respond to the complaint, they may be taken to court and may ultimately be fined for the violation.
A property owner may try to control their bamboo by cutting the bamboo and applying a high concentration herbicide to the stump immediately. And another way is once the bamboo has been cut and the leaves have come back up, you would apply herbicide to the leaves of the bamboo where the leaves then absorb the chemical and it sends it into the root system and kills it that way. That may require 2 to 5 years of herbicide treatment to keep the bamboo completely under control or eradicate it. So if you have a situation where you're trying to protect native plants that are growing under the bamboo, you may want to use your glove coated with herbicide, and then you use that glove to spread the herbicide onto the leaves of the bamboo. That will protect anything that's growing underneath the bamboo. Property owner may try to contain the bamboo by trenching and installing hard materials such as aluminum or a hard plastic to try to prevent the bamboo from further spreading.
We hope that in most cases the bamboo will be able to contain, but in those rare instances where heavy equipment is required, the property owner or the contractor should contact Virginia 811 to have all underground utilities located to avoid damage to those utilities.
We understand that bamboo is beautiful, but there are many native alternatives that can work to meet the requirements that you might have that you'd like to see in your yard as well. So you can seek advice through the Fairfax County Master Gardeners for what to plant in your yard. For more information about running bamboo, you can go to the Fairfax County website, or you can contact the Fairfax County Master Gardeners for any questions you might have.